Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet banana bread. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe, with plenty of brown spots for the best flavor. Mash them well, about 1 3/4 cups worth. Next, gather your dry ingredients. 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, you'll need half a cup of softened butter and 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Once your butter and brown sugar are ready, cream them together until they are light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, scraping down the bowl as needed. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add your mashed bananas and then gradually fold in the dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. Stop as soon as everything is just combined to keep your bread tender. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a standard 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, then pour your prepared batter into it. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick or thin knife into the center of the loaf. If it comes out clean or with just a few moist crumbs, your banana bread is perfectly baked. If not, continue baking for a few more minutes. After baking, let your delicious banana bread cool in the loaf pan for 10 to 20 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing. This ensures a clean cut and prevents crumbling. Enjoy your sweet, moist banana bread. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.